friends, me Sachin Thakkar, and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MSc Chemistry Semester 1 Physical Chemistry. This video is very useful for all university exam including HNGU University. So let's start. Our first question, the common between classical and quantum mechanical fundamental distribution function is. Answer, they all depend both on energy and quantity defining state. Second question, in the equilibrium state. Answer, probability is maximum and beta parameter of two systems are equal. Third question, the Fermi temperature of a defining state. Third question, the Fermi temperature of a system is defined as Tf equal to. Answer, epsilon F0 by K. Fourth question, the specific heat of an ideal Fermi gas in 3 dimensions at very low temperature varies at. Answer, T. Fifth question, which of the following statement is true? Answer, both fermions and bosons are indistinguishable, but classical particles are distinguishable. Sixth question, for a Fermi gas of n particles in 3 dimensions at T equal to 0 Kelvin, the Fermi energy EF is proportional to. Answer, n 2 by 3. Seventh question, the total energy per particle of collection of free fermions is 3 electrovolt. The Fermi energy of a system is. Answer, 1.8 electrovolt. Eighth question, which of the following statement is true for black body radiation? Answer, as temperature increases, peak of energy distribution curve decreases in height and shifts of longer wavelength. Ninth question, spins of bosons is equal to. Answer, positive integral multiple of 1 by 2. 10th question, Hamiltonians of a system consist of contribution from 3 different modes and is written as H equal to H1 plus HV plus HE, Z1 plus ZV and ZE be the corresponding partition functions. The partition functions of a system is written as. Answer, Z equal to Z1 into ZV into ZE. 11th question, the average translation kinetic energy of the molecules of a gas will be double if. Answer, at constant volume its pressure is double. 12th question, according to Maxwell's law of distribution of velocity of molecule, the most probable velocity is. Answer, less than the root means square velocity. 13th question, which of the following relation between the particle number, density n and temperature T most holds good for a gas consisting of non-interacting particle to be distributed by quantum statistics? Answer, n by T into 2 by 3 is double less than 1. 14th question, the Maxwell velocity distribution is valid for a classical gas. Answer, in equilibrium irrespective of the nature of particle interaction. 15th question, the average energy of an electron in a metal at T equal to 0. Answer, 3 by 5 EF0. 16th question, Fermi energy gives the value of energy in a Fermi Dirac system up to which all the energy states are. Answer, occupied. 17th question, entropy of photon gas is proportional to. Answer T3. Answer T raised to 3. 18th question, if the order of the degeneracy of the 57 epsilon naught levels of three-dimensional cubical infinite well. Answer 6. 19th question, in a necessary to apply quantum statistics to a system of particle if. Answer, the particles are interacting. 20 question, the probability then a state which is 0.2 above the Fermi energy in a metal atom at 700 Kelvin is. Answer, 3.5%. 21 question, in case of hydrogen atom, the total degeneracy of the state of specified M is given by. Answer, N equal to N 2L plus 1. 22 question, in the above question, the second order connection to E1 is. Answer, A2 by E2 minus E1. 23rd question, Zeeman effect is. Answer, the change in energy level of an atom when it is placed in uniform electrical field. 24th question, throughout 0 is less than x is less than L, the wave function. Answer, can be chosen to a real. 25th question, the ratio of the reflected to the incident amplitude AR by A naught is. Answer, 1 minus AT by A0. 26th question, the total number of isotopes of alkaline. 26th question, the total number of isotopes of ethylene diradical are. Answer, 6th. 27th question, when a perturbation of Cx square is applied in the Hamiltonians of harmonic oscillation, the shift in first order energy is. Answer, 0. 28th question, a particle of mass m is confined to a one-dimensional box extending from x equal to 0 to x equal to infinite. Assuming the particle in the first excited state, what is the position probability density at x equal to a by 8? Answer, 1 by a. 29th question, what is the degeneracy of hydrogen atom in a state n equal to 3? Answer is 9. 30 question, what is the fraction of beam reflected from the step barrier of V0 if the energy of electron E with E less than V0 and width of barrier is infinite is given by. Answer, E minus V0 by V0. 31 question, a particle is placed in one-dimensional box of size L along x-axis. 0 is less than x is less than L. Which of the following is true? Answer, for an arbitrary state, the probability of finding the particle in the left half of well is half. 32 question, the energy separation between two succession states for a infinite potential will be given by. Answer, delta E is directly proportional to 2n plus 1. 33 question, the eigenfunction of hydrogen atom contains which of the following? Answer, Legendre polynomials and Lagrange polynomials. 34th question. If n represents the number of eigenstates of a hydrogen atom, then its discrete energy level are proportional to answer 1 by n square. Which of the following phenomena can be explained by quantum mechanical tunneling through the barrier? Answer: alpha decay and field emission of electron from a metal surface. 36th question. Which one of the following is correct in respect of an electron and photon having same de Broglie wavelength of 2 angstrom? Answer: both have same momentum. 37th question. If a 5 MeV alpha particle as well as beta particle are incident on a potential barrier of height 10 MeV and width 2 fm, then the probability of transmission is? Answer: higher for beta particle. 38th question. The time independent Schrödinger equations of a system represent the conservation of the answer total energy of the system. 39th question. An electron and a proton each having an energy 5 electrovolt are incident on the barrier of 10 height and 1 angstrom width. The correct statement is? Answer: the electron will have greater transmission probability. 40 question. The de Broglie hypothesis is associated with? Answer: wave nature of all material particle. 41 question. According to Schrödinger equation, 41. According to Schrödinger, a particle is equivalent to a? Answer: wave packet. 42 question. For a non-relativistic particle, what is the relation between phase velocity Vp and group velocity Vg? Answer is Vp equal to Vg by 2. 43 question. 43 question. Matter waves are? Answer: so diffractions. 44th question. Gibbs paradox arises due to? Answer: indistinguishability of classical particles. 45th question. 6 indistinguishable particles are to be distributed into 3 cells. Find the number of different combination of particles that can produce the distribution 4 1 1. Answer: 30. 46th question. Which statistics will apply to deuteriums and alpha particle? Answer: B minus E. 47th question. According to the Fermi-Dirac statistic, the number of particles in a phase cell can be? Answer: only 1. 48th question. 48th question. The total number of accessible state of n non-interacting particles of spin 1 by 2 is? Answer: n. 49th question. At high temperature, entropy of a spin half system is equal to? Answer: nk ln 2. 50 question. 6 distinguishable particles are distributed over 3 non-degenerate level of energy O, E and 2E. The total energy of the distribution for which the probability is maximum is? Answer: 6E. Dear friends, if you want to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, then link is available in description box. Thank you.